Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a quick little Dollar Tree haul plus a DIY of a quick birthday goodie box or goodie bag that you can do. It's an idea that I came up with like right away, I'm going to be making this video. So I'm going to show you first what I bought at Dollar Tree, and then we'll do the little craft. First of all, I bought these treat bags. These treat bags are they have different colors besides pink. This one I got the pink one. I also got these happy birthday cake headband. And then I got these plates. These plates are plastic. It doesn't say how many there here, but I count them 2, 4, 6 plates. They're plastic, and then you can see turquoise and purple. And then I also got these napkins. It's your birthday napkins for the cake. I also got some stickers. I got troll stickers, which our theme is going to be trolls, by the way. I also got this mini stickers. This has 4 sheets of I'm guessing the same kind of stickers. This one has 4 sheets as well. And then I also found this Disney Princess 3 glitter gel pens. They're so cute. It's pink, purple, and green. Oh, and this is the envelope for the birthday card for birthday girl. I didn't find a troll card, so that's why I got a Barbie card. This is for my daughter. She's gonna turn 5, so I do that one. And I found the Lisa Frank 600 stickers book. I believe I want to think that I already have this one, but I'm not sure. But I got it anyways. There's that. I also got these 2 pens. These are on the Easter side. It says happy, make today happy. Doesn't really say Easter, that's why I liked it. And this is just little strawberries and cherries, kind of like springy. And it has this little like shaker thing. Can you has this little shaker thing anyways, and it's all these colors, and my daughters like to write in it, so I got one for each of them. And also I got these balloons. They're Tillich Sticks balloons, and they're big ones, and they look like tie-dye balloons. I got those, and then the rest of it are actually chocolates. I got these Kinder Bueno chocolates, and then I also got this fun dip, and I got this Mamba Tropics peach, passion fruit, pineapple, coconut, apple, kiwi, and mango orange. These are for the goodie bags. I got these big chocolates to make the goodie bag like worthwhile, since there's only for my nieces. That I'm going to make one, because it's just literally a dinner and a cake for my daughter. So, and I also got this gum, so I can leave it in my truck. But anywho, that's what I got at the Dollar Tree. And now I'm going to show you how I'm going to prepare the little goodie bag. And for that, we're going to be needing a few of the things that I'm going to show you right now. This one I bought her, like she could wear that day, but also for school. That's why I got it. So you're gonna need your treat bags. Let me scooch you a little bit. These are the 10 treat bags. I'm only going to use 9, but it has, like I told you, they have different colors, and they also have them in solids. So like solid pink instead of the chevron checker thingy over here. And these are these goodie bags are a good size goodie bag, because you can put more, like there's enough size to fit. It's kind of like a popcorn bag. So I got that. And to include in these goodie bags from another store, I did get these are Smart and Final. I got these candies, which are squinkles. They're like gummy with chamoy. I also got these, actually this one from a Mexican store, the Pelon Rico. Oh, and I got these from the Dollar Tree as well. The 18-pack chocolate sandwich Oreos. They come in individual packets, and there's 2 cookies in there. there's a good 18 pack is a good size for like, you know, like lunch bags and stuff like that. So it's a good size. So on the goodie bag, I'm actually gonna get I'm going to be using these stickers. I'm going to, her thing, like she wanted to be trolls theme because she has this outfit that is trolls. So we're going to be using trolls. And I use pink because Poppy's hair is pink. You know, this is Poppy, the little girl troll, that's Poppy. So her hair is pink, like her skin is kind of like the same kind of pink as the bag. So that's why I got it. So all the sheets are the same. Do you see that? So I'm trying to grab mostly of the Poppy bag. I'm gonna see where's I'm gonna make the Poppy have like the bag, I'm sorry, have about 3 of the stickers of the girl. Let me see which one's another different one. Oh, this one. Kind of like that, you see? So now it's like themable. The theme is like Poppy. And inside of the baggie, I'm going to include the big size Kinder. This is also from Dollar Tree, by the way, but you gotta know this is $1.25. We can do that. We're going to include one of these. One of the cookies. And from this bar, I did get 6 or 4 of these. It has 24 chews. So you can like spread them out. You see? Look at this. It has 4 packets of the ones. They're different flavors, of course, pineapple, peach, kiwi, and tropics. So you can like separate them there. You can put 2 or 3. I'm gonna add 2 of them. 2 of them there. And we'll add the other bigger candy. So the baggie, it's like already complete. You can see it has the baked chocolate, the savory, the cookie, and the candy. So now with that, I can go ahead and grab another little sticker, put it on the other side, fold it just a bit, and stick it on the other side. Now the goodie bag, it's all made and really cute. And this is actually like, I just thought about it in one time. Like I went to the Dollar Tree, I figured what I wanted, and that's what we came up with. And they're so cute. I think it's a good idea. Oh, I actually forgot one more candy. I have one of these fun dips from the Dollar Tree as well. So that'll make the baggie a little bit fuller. Now we're gonna include it in there. Since it's really thin, it doesn't make a difference on the bulkiness of the little baggie. Now it's complete. And that is how they end up looking, all the little baggies. Excuse my voice, I'm a little bit sick. That's how they look. Oh, I forgot. Did I forget to put a sticker behind? Oh, no, I didn't. That's how they look, all nice and uniformed. It's a very quick idea that you guys could share, or like you could do when you are like in a hurry. This also works like when you have like just enough nephews like I do and nieces, or like a school goodie bag. That also is a good one when there's like kindergarten, there's a limit, like a small amount of kids. You don't spend as much and they look pretty cute. All you could do is prop it with some stickers, and it's all good. Other than that, that's all that I have for this one. I'm going to show you how quick it is to do a class treat for a birthday. You get your loot bags or treat bags from the Dollar Tree. You get whatever that you're doing. I am doing little cupcakes, but I'm also doing this little cookies because she wanted this sugar cookies. Her theme that she wants, or that she did, was Poppy or Trolls. I did get these stickers from the Dollar Tree like you saw on the craft before, and all you need is those loot bags, your treat, some paper. I also got this glitter markers from the Dollar Tree. They write very nicely. Look at that. You write happy birthday, 5th birthday Lela, or whatever, and you put a little sticker there, and it becomes another little treat, and it's personalized and it looks cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and you'll see how it looks in just 1 minute. So you'll grab your baggie. You'll grab your bag. These ones are kind of wide, so you're going to grab your cookie. There. If you think it's too big, you can obviously cut it. But we're going to do something else to have the stars of the flower, the stars of the bag to look kind of cute. So we're going to go ahead and fold it like this. We're going to fold the length of the bag 2 times, so when we go ahead and put this one, it'll stay like this. You see, it's cuter. You're gonna need a stapler for that, by the way. You can do it with tape if you want to, but I recommend a stapler better. Let me go ahead and get the stapler right away. This, we have that. I have my stapler right here. I'm going to staple on both sides over here, and look at that. There you go. You have a very quick snack, personalized. They can keep it. They can take it to their house if they don't want to eat it at the moment, because you know kids have like a bunch of things. Like I've seen that they have a bunch of goodies, and then they will not eat it and just waste it. I did got these other tiny ones, which are little cupcakes, tinier ones for the class. They can eat the little tiny cupcakes. Since Layla is in preschool, that's why I got this one. I kind of smooched this one, so I gotta fix that. But there is that. It's very troll. Looks like their hair. Look at that. It's like their hair. Very pink, like Poppy. Like you could see Poppy right there. But yeah, that's a good idea. It's an idea that you guys could have. It's a package thing, and all good. Very good. Hopefully you guys like this idea and try it yourself. And yeah, other than that, that is all that I have for you guys today for the very quick, very spontaneous, get ready birthday treat and goodie bag. Hopefully you guys like it. Other than that, please click subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you already did, thank you very much. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.